Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to your daily update on Bome. All right. Wanted to still do these daily updates. I mean, I know a lot of you are still trading Bome. I think in general it's actually interesting. I mean, yesterday afternoon we actually gained quite a lot of momentum. Now that was obviously also partially due to Bitcoin, of course. I mean, Bitcoin and the market in its whole is quite strong right now. However, that doesn't necessarily mean that every crypto is going to be strong. So it's still worth to mention that Bome right here from this this trend line I drew, but from this support level which we already talked about yesterday, between 1.3 and 1.25 cents, we actually did gain some, well, not necessarily momentum, but we did find some strong support there. And then if we look at the momentum, which is one of the best things to look at, what you'll see, and I think this is even more interesting, is that there's some sort of a divergence, all right? So what you see is that the price is kind of making lower highs since the spike yesterday evening. But then if we look at the open interest, that's moving up. And the open interest is not necessarily bullish, right? Because you can see the CVD right here, while the open interest is going up, is negative. So that means that it's also quite a lot of shorts being opened. But just historically, when there's a divergence like this, and we also saw that with Bome the last time this happened. So the last time this happened was right here. Open interest went up, price was stable, even went down a bit, and eventually that led to a big bullish breakout. So that knowledge, in combination with the fact that Bitcoin is still very, very strong right now, leads me to believe that we actually have a very, very good chance at a bullish breakout. All right. So purely technically, I think the structure is still the same as we talked about yesterday, right? So Bome is kind of stuck between two important key levels. Above us, we have 1.5 cents, which is very strong technically, but also psychologically. And then to the bottom, we have this support level around 1.25 cents. Now, if I would have to tell you which one of these breakouts I think is most likely at this point of time, I would 100% say the bullish breakout, all right? Like I said, the markets are quite strong. If you really zoom out, you could still see this as some sort of a bullish market structure, even though if you zoom in, the EMAs are practically flat, etc. So technically, there isn't really an uptrend. And then most importantly, I would say, is this divergence and the fact that we are actually gaining momentum. So yeah, I think that there's real potential for Bome, but right now we just have to wait for some confirmation. All right. The main level to break above is right here around 1.5 cents. I would say 1.53 cents is really the main level to break. Like that's the actual top, the level we also spiked to yesterday, but also the main resistance level we had on Saturday, for example. So that's the main level to break. And in general, what I would expect from here on out is that this market structure just continues, all right? So the market structure is consolidating. I would expect us to just continue consolidating. However, keep your eyes on 1.5 cents, all right? Because I think the probability, the chance that Bome actually gets that bullish breakout is getting more and more likely. And if we do get that bullish breakout and the open interest is still moving up, and Bitcoin hasn't crashed, then I think that actually leads to a rally up to this level right here around 1.75 and 1.8 cents. So a lot is possible. We need a little bit more confirmation, but there are some indications and some signals that something like that is coming. So that's what you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.